The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Galveston County in southeastern Texas, East Central Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, West Central Chambers County in southeastern Texas, Southeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Porte, moving south at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Southeastern Pasadena, League City, Southern Baytown, Galveston Island West End, Texas City, Eastern Friendswood, Porte, Alvin, Dickinson, Lamarck, Santa Fe, Seabrook, Webster, Hitchcock, Beach City, Kemah, Southeastern Clear Lake, Nassau Bay, Taylor Lake Village, and El Lago. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.